Take a deep breath, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English: take a deep breath. Whether you're diving into the deep end or getting ready for a big presentation, you've likely heard or used this phrase before. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it in different situations? Let's find out together. When we say, take a deep breath, we are referring to the action of inhaling a large amount of air into the lungs. Imagine filling a balloon with air. That's similar to what you do to your lungs when you take a deep breath. It's a physical action that you can see and feel. Taking deep breaths is not just a physical action, it's also a tool for relaxation. When people are anxious or stressed, their breathing often becomes quick and shallow. By taking deep breaths, you slow down your breathing rate, which can help to calm your nerves and reduce stress. In a figurative sense, take a deep breath can be advice to someone to pause and collect their thoughts before doing something important or challenging. It means to take a moment of calm before proceeding, which can help someone approach a situation with a clearer mind. Let's look at some examples of how take a deep breath can be used in everyday conversation. Before public speaking, I was so nervous before my speech. I had to take a deep breath and compose myself. In stressful situations, when the workload gets too heavy, I take a deep breath and prioritize my tasks. Encouraging others, take a deep breath. You know this material and you'll do great on the exam. There are several expressions related to taking a deep breath that also suggest calming down or preparing oneself. Phrases like, catch one's breath, breathe deeply, and sigh of relief all involve the act of breathing and are used to convey similar ideas of relaxation or relief. That's it for our look at the phrase, take a deep breath. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use the phrase in both a literal and a figurative sense. Remember, taking a moment to breathe deeply can be powerful, whether you're facing a challenge or just need to relax. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and don't forget to take a deep breath. Goodbye for now.